Pella. Pella.
Plate.
Plate.
Pliang. Pliang. So similar.
Pliang. Spoon.
Shamite.
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 Broom.
Broom.
Sansar.
Sansar.
Sansar. Hello Meghalayan Khasi people, Kumno Pilong Paralog, your African boy Gabs Gabi here. So today we are going to continue learning Khasi to English translation, guys. I'm so curious to be learning Khasi, and I found it easy here watching and listening, guys. You know, YouTube provide everything nowadays. So previous I was learning the Khasi alphabet, and I came to find out that Khasi alphabet is very less than the English alphabet. And the alphabetical letters, they are all in English, similar to English, just that their pronunciation is different. So which is something nice, guys. Like, I'm having hope that I can learn something from Khasi. So today is new thing. So make sure to watch, guys, because I am going also to tell you the meaning in Arabic. Like, it is not, you can at least learn something from me. Okay, I'm learning from you. Maybe one day we'll meet in Shillong, guys. Soon I'm coming to Shillong. So October only I will be coming to Shillong after 1 month, guys. So I'm going to learn so that I can have a little bit of Khasi language to interact with the local people. So stay tuned, watch with me so that you can learn a little bit of my language. I speak Arabic, guys. So let's start. Don't forget, subscribe now, guys. Join and share the video with your family and friends. God bless you.
Kublay pi baro ba pila pay pet biang kani ka video jongi hakani ka por ngin le translation na ka English sha ka Khasi.
Jongi is mine.
Today
is you.
Ka bumut menta kasngi. Menta kasngi. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Lashai kasngi. Lashai kasngi.
Okay.
Yesterday. Menin kasngi. Menin kasngi. Where?
Shahe.
Shae.
I know it. What?
Shae.
Shahe.
What?
Kahe.
Kae.
Kahe.
Kae.
Okay. Who?
Who?
Mano.
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 Mano. Okay.
Week. Tayo.
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 Month. Benai.
Banai.
Benai.
Banai.
Year.
Kahe.
Snem.
Banai.
Snem.
Yeah, snem. Okay, guys. So I want to teach you what we also in Arabic. Okay, coming back from today, guys. Today in Arabic we say al-yom. Today is like, you can also say al-lela. Today is al-lela. Al-lela in Arabic is today. So tomorrow in Arabic bukra. Bukra. So, and yesterday in Arabic we say umbari. Umbari. Or you can say also Gabli amis, but for me, I love umbari because it's so easy and not that long. So coming to where is like where, aina. So coming to what is like maza, Indian maza. Okay, maza, just say maza. What in Arabic is maza, that maza drink. Then who is like min. Who, min. Okay, week is boo. So month, shar, month, shar. Here like sene. Here is sene. So I want to try to speak Khasi also. Today they said menta ka singi. Tomorrow lashai ka singi. Yes, lashai ka singi. Yesterday, mainin ka singi. Mainin ka singi. Where is Sha'e. What? Ka he. Who? Mano. Mano is very simple. Mano is also a name in my country. Week. Iwe. This is little difficult for me. Iwe. Month. Banai. Here is snem, guys. Let's continue.
Pella.
Plate. Pliang. So similar.
Pliang. Spoon.
Shamite.
Broom. broom,
Sansar.
sansar,
Sansar.
sansar,
Dustpan.
dustpan,
Dustpan.
tin khát nhut,
Tin
tin khát
nhut.
nhut,
Rope.
rope,
Headline.
tulai,
Bottle.
tulai, bottle,
Long. Knife.
klong,
Tari.
klong,
Tari.
knife,
Okay.
tari,
Three.
ta,
Okay. So let's come and I'll pronounce for you everything again, guys. I love this. I love this. So in Arabic, we say cup kubaya, plate sahan, spoon malaga, broom mugasha or mukshasha, dustpan dustpan jardel wasaka. Okay, rope abil, bottle crystal, knife sekin. Let's go. So interesting now. Let's
potato,
go. Potato pan,
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 tomato, so
tomato,
sao,
so
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 sao,
sao.
cabbage,
Okay,
kubi,
cabbage, kubi,
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 pumpkin,
ku,
patao,
patao,
patao, onion, piet,
oh,
piet,
piet,
garlic,
piet, garlic,
runsun, runsun,
runsun,
ginger,
ginger, sieng,
siing.
sieng.
Kubleishibun.
Okay. Okay, so let me tell you in Arabic. Potato, in Arabic we say batatis. Similar, right? So in Khasi they say pahan. In tomato, also we say tamatim in Arabic. In Khasi, sao. Cabbage is like cabbage. Why did I forget? Cabbage. Oh my gosh, I almost forget cabbage, but I will tell you. Cabbage is like, I forgot it, guys, but I'll tell in the comment section. So pumpkin, bonjok. We say bonjok in my local way. In Khasi is patau. So onion, we say basal. Onion is basal. In Khasi, piad. Garlic, basal tum. Ginger for us is like Jenzabil, guys. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much. And I feel today I learn a lot, guys. I need to watch it more and more, then so that I can catch some word, guys. But tell me also, how do you find Arabic compared to Yarkasi? And thank you for suggesting. Don't forget, guys, subscribe, share this video with your other friends and family in your own group, guys. Kublai Shibon, thank you so much. Support the owner of this channel, and don't forget also join my African family, because soon I'm coming to Shillong. See you soon. Pamba Club.